Hi, this is Joshua Jackson, and I'm going to be reviewing the new split denture workflow, which has been greatly anticipated and previewed at the IDS 2025. So here's my first attempt at doing this without previous training or anything like that. Just kind of intuitively working through the wizard steps here and seeing what my overall process tends to look like here. All right, so first we're gonna have the finalized overall split file, and from here we're going to go into the bar design of our choice. Actually, let's go into the expert mode and see if we have any additional features here. Yeah, let's go to bar design. Go to height, width, go. Take a look at the overall features and try and get a go to split. Oh, let's see. Bar design. Go to split. Press apply. Of course, most people probably be smoothing out the intaglio surface of that. Nice, that looks really good. As far as the overall design goes, you can also change some of these parameters. Consider 3D shape, roughly. I like, let's say ignore 3D shape. That's really nice. So now we'll go ahead and see what our next. Wow, we can even just smooth out all these things. This is looking really good. There's also an option to do this with the partial module, which I think gives you definitely a different quality, giving the user their desired capability. Oh, you could change the large region with a. Oh, this is something that I hope we can see throughout different aspects of the software. For now, I'm gonna just kind of keep the design like that. Definitely, definitely much more intuitive than Blender. Um, this is, I'll say, the death of Blender. Because if we take a look at what the overall result being much easier, much more intuitive for users to do overall, just making this process that much more easy, making the split file workflow um, really just quite wonderful at the end of the day. And then we'll go ahead and we'll start with our freeforming. Okay. It wants me to go into freeforming. And we'll go ahead and merge and save. Screw holes, cut for through holes, and then that's it. Wonderful. Just absolutely spectacular at the end of the day. All right. So definitely going to be playing with that. Definitely going to be editing the styles of designs and whatnot. But if you would like some designs done with this workflow and want to become an official tester for us, please feel free to submit designs to Evolution Dental or Evolve Dentistry, and we will be happy to do the testing inside of our closed manufacturing environment here at Evolution. If you have some manufacturing techniques that you would like to be tested with, please feel free to contact me here, private message me, and we can go ahead and do that together. All right, thank you so much, and really look forward to the future of this module and some additional features. I know that this was one of the burning topics. Just wanted to share this workflow with you guys overall. All right, thanks.